Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Meen Rashifal 2020 overview. As the year begins, only good things will follow you this year as predicted by the Meen Rashifal predictions for 2020. Almost all aspects of your life will be in the positive other than in the negative. The planetary influences that rule your zodiac sign will be aligned in the right manner to bless you abundantly. You should be ready to accept all the change that will come into your life this year. There is a possibility that you will get a new house later in August. 2020 career predictions. Career is something that many people long to have. Based on the Rashi 2020, this year Kanya will advance in their career. You will get something to do that is out of your comfort zone that you will be good at. Your skills and talents will enable you to make the most out of your career. Your bosses will be proud of your progress, and they will give you all the support that you need. Colleagues at the workplace will also cheer you ahead to make the best out of the experience that you have garnered over the years. Meen Rashifal 2020 forecasts for health. Your health will be good save for some stress that you will garner at home in 2020. You will need to get frequent appointments with a psychiatrist to relieve your stress levels. Stress, if not taken care of, will lead to loss of weight and a constant strain of anger-related incidents. Your physical health will be okay, but you will need to cultivate a culture of working out daily to maintain your immune system. Eating balanced diets will also ensure good health for the whole year. 2020 Meen Rashifal finance horoscope. The money will come easy for you this year because of the investments that you have made. As per the 2020 Meen Rashifal forecast, you will enter into investments with both local and foreign investors. Foreign investors will challenge you into becoming a better version of yourself. All the profits you get from your investments will be directed to your savings account and in taking care of family expenses. However, you have to learn how to save. Meen Rashi is notorious for using money without a care in the world. At times, you put personal luxuries before the necessary expenses that need be taken care of. You will need to get a financial advisor who will teach you how to use money advantageously. Family and love. 2020 Meen Rashifal 2020 foretells this year you will enjoy love to the fullest with your spouse or partner. There will be romance, peace, and joy in your family as well. Peace and harmony will be the order of the day since you have had some bad days in the previous years that have passed. Your children will look up to you because of the way that you carry out yourself around the house. They will do well in school since you will take time to tutor them in those subjects that they do not understand well. The single Meen Rashifal natives will find love in social gatherings. There is a possibility that people they meet this year will end up being their soulmates. Love and planning for babies will reign this year because of the influence of the planet Venus. Love comes with peace, and with peace comes joy. Meen Rashi 2020 travel forecast. As per the 2020 Meen Rashifal astrology, you will travel a lot this year with your family. You are in for an adventure, and you will follow it wherever it takes you. This year you will bond well with your family while at the same time spending time with each other. Work-related travels will come at a later date when the stars are aligned in your favor for that purpose. You will travel mostly via road and rail. Try not to travel during the Mercury retrograde 2020. Conclusion. The Meen Rashifal 2020 forecast reveals that this year is the year for you to be glad and happy because of all the positive occurrences in your life. Grasp the changes that will come your way with both hands. Be confident enough to take one step at a time in your endeavors and all will be well.